So many students think like this. Structure मतलब E-tabs, design मतलब calculations and Revit structure सिर्फ modeling के लिए ही है. But this is incomplete understanding. Structure is not only design, it is design plus modeling plus detailing plus communication. Now the question is, why is Revit structure important in this entire flow? So Revit structure is not just a software, it is a pathway into structural BIM roles. The biggest mistake students is doing but always remember, growth comes from capability, not just software completion. So if you're thinking can I build a strong career using Revit structure? My answer is yes. If you are a civil engineer and you are interested in structural design, analysis or core engineering work, then this video is important for you. Because today we will understand how Revit structure can help you build a strong structural BIM career. It's not about just software. It's about real job roles, real project workflow and real career growth. So many students think like this. Structure मतलब E-tabs, design मतलब calculations and Revit structure सिर्फ modeling के लिए ही है. But this is incomplete understanding. Because in real projects, design, modeling, detailing and execution, these all are interconnected. So let me explain this clearly. Revit structure is not just a modeling software. It is a tool that helps you to convert structural concept into BIM modeling, visualize a structural system, coordinate with the architecture and MEP, generate drawings and documentations. So it acts as a bridge between the design and execution. So as per AEC industry BIM philosophy, AutoCAD gives a drawing base, Revit structure gives structural intelligence in 3D and again converts it into execution drawing. So that means 2D, 3D and again in 2D. This cycle is very important in BIM workflow. So let us understand this step by step in a simple way. Step 1, base drawing project start with layout, grid, column positions, reference drawings. So this often prepared or understood using AutoCAD software. Step 2, structural modeling in Revit. We move into a Revit structure where we create columns, then beams, then slabs, then our foundations and structural systems. Now, you are not just creating a drawing, you are building a structural system model. Then next step is step 3. Step 3 is structural analysis using E-tabs or SAFE software. So after modeling, we move into E-tabs and SAFE software for analysis and design. But remember, analysis is totally depends on proper structural understanding and its relevant input. So next is step 4, detailing. After analysis, we move to detailing. It includes reinforcement drawings, bar bending schedule, detailing drawings and again 2D drawings become very important for executions. And finally step 5, that is the final output. This step includes the preparation and refinement of working drawings, erection drawings and quantity support. So understand this complete flow. Structure is not only design, it is design plus modeling plus detailing plus communication. Now the question is, why is Revit structure important in this entire flow? Because it helps you visualize structure clearly, understand connections, coordinate with architectures, prepare structured output, reduce confusion and most importantly, it connects design thinking with project execution. So in real BIM project, structure does not work alone. It must coordinate with architecture, plumbing, electrical and many other services, and this coordination becomes easier when structural model is clearly defined in BIM environment, that is building information modeling. Now let's connect this into your career because this is what matters most. If you learn Revit structure properly and understand full workflow, then it can lead you to the roles like structural BIM modeler, structural BIM engineer, BIM structural detailing engineer, structural estimation engineer, and BIM coordinator. So Revit Structure is not just a software, it is a pathway into structural BIM roles. So let's understand these roles one by one. First is structural BIM modeler. Here your key role is create a structural model, define elements, support drawings, and coordinate with other teams. Then comes structural BIM engineer. Here your role becomes deeper because you have to understand design plus modeling, connect analysis with models, and support project decisions. Then BIM detailing engineer, here your focus is on a detail drawing, reinforcement, understanding, and execution level communication. So your growth becomes like a model to understand, to detail, and then coordinate. So now understand why civil students should focus on this growth path. If you are a civil engineer, this path is very powerful for you because structure is your core subject and BIM adds practical value. So when you combine both, your profile becomes much stronger. But one thing is very important. Revit structure should not be learned only through commands. It should be learned through real project examples, structural workflow, detailing logics, and coordination scenarios. So you should practice projects like a bungalow structure, multi-story buildings, township structures, and maybe a commercial buildings. So this creates real understanding. So project-based learning converts software knowledge into a job-ready skills. The biggest mistake students is doing, like they learning ETAP separately, learning Revit separately, and learning AutoCAD separately. Without understanding how they connect, they learn the software separately, and that creates a confusion. So what should be the correct approach? Learn them as one connected ecosystem. So now coming to the practical part, if your skill is strong in a Revit structure, structural workflow, coordination, detailing, then you can move into a better roles, then a better responsibilities and better career opportunities. But always remember, growth comes from capability, not just software completion. And this is exactly what AEC BIM industry follows. Software is the base, project is the practice, job role is the directions, and career growth is the outcome. So Revit structure should be learned as a structural BIM career tool, not just a software. So if you're thinking like, can I build a strong career using Revit structure? My answer is yes, if you learn it through proper workflow and directions. And that is exactly why I created a 3-day BIM career challenge where I explain how structural BIM career works, how software connects to job roles, what skills are actually required, and how to avoid a confusion. If you are serious about your future and you want to understand how to move into a structural BIM career path, I strongly recommend join this challenge, get a proper clarity. To join this 3-day challenge, link is given in the description box, or you can scan the QR code, this appear on the screen. And if this video helped you, comment structure plus BIM so I know you are serious about this path. Thank you so much.